I am so grateful. I tell everybody about Mary. So I got Mary back. She came a few years ago, and we have an update. So Mary, just tell me your story.
Okay, so when I was 14, I was diagnosed with brain cancer. I had 2 brain tumors, and one was pressing on my optic nerve, and the other was on my, so I had one on my pituitary gland, which that was the one that was pressing on my optic nerve. And then I had one on my pineal gland as well. So I actually lost all of my vision, and they started chemotherapy immediately, which they typically don't do. Typically they do some other things and some other tests that kind of help like before chemotherapy to kind of keep everything like okay, I guess, because chemotherapy does a lot of damage to your body, other than like obviously killing the tumors. So they just went straight in, and that's not typical, but they wanted to get all my vision back, and luckily they did. So that is
Miracle.
Yeah, it is a miracle.
I get chills every time I hear the story. It is like my favorite story.
You're so sweet. But yeah, they didn't expect that I would get all my vision back, but I did. I was very lucky, and they knew what they were doing, and they made some great decisions that truly helped and saved my life. So I just owe it to the doctors and the nurses at Children's Healthcare of Atlanta for just being the best and being there for me and just making me feel comfortable and safe while I was at the hospital. And it was truly an amazing experience.
And now, where are we?
Now now I am a sophomore at the University of Georgia, and I'm majoring in percussion performance and public relations, and I would like to work for the foundation at Children's Healthcare of Atlanta. So it's just incredible that I just get to be here, and I mean, I get to live my life normally. I mean, all I have to do is take my medicines, and I'm fine. Like,
And you're beautiful.
Oh, you're sweet.
But it's kind of our hair. It's been hard because it hasn't grown back a lot.
Because of the...
And you're staying on medicine.
Yes, I am. Yeah, because I don't make any hormones anymore, so my hair is not really wanting to grow back, but we're trying to do everything we can, and I'm taking supplements and everything to help with that.
And you can have beautiful hair when you want it. So that's the good thing.
Yes.
Well, I love your story.
Oh,
Y'all,
so
I love
sweet.
this lady and her mama. They are just so sweet. And her name is on our warrior wall when you first walk in, and it's been there for 2 years.
Yeah.
So I get to put my hand on it. It has Mary with a heart. And I tell everybody what a walking miracle this girl is.
You're so sweet.
That what they say when you lose your vision, that it never comes back.
Yeah.
And but God, let's just say,
for real.
but God. This one's called Barbie. What do you think?
Yeah.
We're looking at different ones, but
I like it.
I would change the part for sure.
we can definitely change it. For
Yeah.
This one's Jocelyn. That's closer to your natural.
Let me look.
But look,
Gosh, she looks so different.
I know. It looks
I'm
very...
so used to this.
I feel like it might be a little jarring for other people.
Okay, yes.
What did you
I
do?
do like it.
I did too.
so this one is Krista.
I like the first one better.
So far, okay, Barbie's winning. And this is Beth. So we're looking at between Barbie and Beth.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Now let's go back to this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Beth, I
this
think
one a
she
lot.
looks great. on
Yeah,
you.
Yeah, she does.
Oh, so do we dig the wig?
Yeah, we do.
We dig the wig. I just
Well,
love y'all.
we adore you, and no,
give you a
no.
hug.
Y'all are precious. I love
You
y'all.
are so,
Mm.
you're the best. You're the absolute best.
I think you are so special. And I am so grateful. I tell everybody about Mary.
I saw something online about, I think it was with the wig that I had, that you had named after me.
Yes.
And I saw it online and I was like, oh my god.
we have a wig named Mary, but I don't have her in right now, but she's very icy. I was like, I just gotta have something named Mary. So this girl is so special, and we just pray healing continuously and all the blessings over you, Mary.
I appreciate it.
We love it. We dig the wig.
We dig the wig.
How do you like it?
I love it.
It looks so good.
Cute. Maya got you all cut and curled, and
Yes, it looks so good.
Yes.
love
Oh my
it.
gosh.
All ready for recruitment.
I'm so excited.
Yes. Love
Well,
it.
we love you so much.
You guys. Oh.
So thankful for you, Mary.
Yes.
Love you guys so much.